Right, it's taken a little bit of a time to get round to getting this 200 TDI engine done, but we're going to get back onto it because we've got all our bits and pieces, I hope. I've had it covered over for a little while, so we'll take this off. Big airline out, well, a big blowgun. We're going to blow through all the oil waste, make sure there's nothing in there, no beads or sand or anything like that. Nothing in the bolt holes at all, you know, you don't want anything in there. It's pretty good. It was pretty clean. Got a good thorough washing out and what have you. What we're going to start with, we're going to take out this plug here at the back because we didn't have one. It's one of the things we were waiting for. There's a little frost plug in there which is a bit nasty, and frost plug, core plug, and we've got some new ones here, so we're going to take that out and let's have a look and see what it's like. Let's see if we can get this out without losing it inside the block. We're going to hit it inside, not on this, I'll give you a demo. On that one we're going to hit it on the inside and see if we can tip it over. And the answer is no. Well, I tell you something, it wasn't half thin. There we go. That didn't hurt, did it, Mr. Williams? Yeah, it was getting to be a little bit rusty, so it was a good call to replace it. Better. Double check. Oh, here it's got a. There. That's that in there. So that will set really nice. Next thing we're going to do is put the plugs into here. We've got them all cleaned out. So there's the plugs. They go in the oil wares here. Again, we're going to put a bit of thread retaining compound, or just retaining compound on those. Just put a pin in there to stop that from turning. So that's the back end all done. Next we'll pay our attention to the front. On the front it's a different system. It's got parallel plugs in here, and we've got some new ones because we've destroyed the old ones trying to get them out. These things here. These little parallel plugs. Again, we're going to put some retaining compound on them. We're going to screw them in. What damages them is when you're taking them out, there's little punch marks on there, and consequently there's a punch mark on the other side, and it tends to chew up the threads. Moved. These have to go flush. I think my screwdriver here is just a little bit too wide for them. Yeah, the slots are very... These aftermarket jobbies are... Yeah, the slots in the head is somewhat smaller. Even that screwdriver won't go in. What the hell size are these? the slot is very narrow. Right, here's one, that will do better. It's not as big as the other one, but it'll do. Now my retaining compound has gone all over the place now, so we'll put a bit more on. There we go. And that should be flush. Flush if not under. You don't want it too sticking out. It's got to be flush. So then we'll put a little punch, we'll get a centre punch. The retainable compound will hold it in, but just in case. So one there, and that's that done.